Is like this, and going all the way down to something like this in terms of size. The quartz you're looking at are all from Brazil, and they're polished on their faces, on the natural faces. Some are fully polished, some have natural sides. It depends on the piece. All the details about each one of these pieces is on our website at pointsoflight.net. These pieces make extraordinary additions to, home, garden, sanctuary, or healing space. Great for meditation, great for harnessing earth energies. And quartz is also piezoelectric, which means that it's a natural conductor of energy that can be scientifically measured as such. So it makes quartz a unique choice for any of what I just mentioned. We have sizes going all the way down to what you see here, ranging up to 600-pound, almost 4-foot tall points, the largest ones that you just saw. This is our next batch of large pieces. Quite lovely. These are actually all natural bodies with polished faces. Each one is unique and has its own personality. And here we have some natural quartz from Arkansas. This is actually a double terminated piece. Quite rare to find a large double terminated like this, especially from Arkansas. Here's another single point from Arkansas. This is a beautiful natural point from Brazil. This is not polished, it's self-healed. On the bottom it has tabbies, has these crystals coming off of it at really unique angles. This is a beautiful double terminated polished piece from Brazil. This is a gorgeous natural point with a smaller point at the bottom. This actually stands up and makes quite a regal piece. And then we have these two light, smoky, large points. Again, it's even rare to find really good quality points of this size from Brazil. These are from the Diamantina range in Brazil. Here's some more of our fine, fully polished small points from Brazil. Many have beautiful rainbows and gorgeous inclusions like this one here. By seeing this selection, you might think that points of this size are common given how many we have, but again, we searched quite extensively to find good quality pieces of this size. And this piece is one of our finest in terms of our polished large points from Brazil. Absolutely amazing. Super clear point with beautiful inclusions. So we hope you've enjoyed this visual tour of Big Quartz from pointsoflight.net.